was your role of family in your passion?
Well, of course, they always back me up, whatever I do. I mean, now I don't work for so long, but with all honesty, this is a line which demands for very long hours. Okay, that you have to be right from. See, I tell you very, very frankly that even if the restaurant or any F&B outlet, even if it is not built in a very, very nice way, if the food is good, people still go. My favorite restaurant here, right? In Delhi is Lota Cafe. There's no AC also in that place.
Okay.
So that adds extra pressure to the chef, extra pressure to the people who are actually cooking in the kitchen. So that's exactly what I'm saying, that we have, a restaurant nowadays, chefs are not only chefs, they are actually partners. Okay, they're entrepreneurs. They all work they understand financials of the restaurant. So that adds a lot of pressure to us. And of course, without family support, you can't do it. Also very, very
Absolutely.
important for people who are watching us, that never, when you work, don't think about family. When you are with family, don't think about work. If you can create that work-life balance, it's a definite success, I must tell you. Then you would be able to focus more. You'd be able to concentrate more. You would be able to create more. And you would be able to achieve more accolades in your life.